it's Laura. So today I'm going to share an update with my Child of the 80s project pan. This is a Pantastic Ladies project and it was created by Ceylan. So for me, I'm working on 8 products at a time. And for this update, I have 4 rolling out. So the first thing rolling out is for the prompt dipstick. And that is something you feel like a dipstick for buying. For me, it's these Biore charcoal strips. I finally finished them and I hope to never ever have them in my collection ever again. I just don't like these charcoal strips. They just don't work for me. They always leave residue on my nose. And to be honest, to just get them used up, I used one like on my chin and one on my forehead because I was just trying to get rid of them. I don't like those. And the reason I feel like a dipstick for buying them is because I had already had them previously. And I got these like in a subscription box and I forgot about if they were the same brand. But then once I used it, I was like, nope, these are definitely the same ones I had and that I did not like. But they're done and they're gone. Next thing rolling out is for Cabbage Patch dolls, and that was something that was sold out or hard to get. For that, I chose this Urban Decay Ice palette. My goal was to use it 5 times, and I used it 5 times. I mostly stuck to this row here, and then I think I used this pink shade once. I love this palette. I love the Urban Decay Vice palettes. Honestly, they're probably some of my top favorite like palette lines that have ever come out. I just love them so much. Next thing rolling out is for Moonwalk, a black or white item. I had these Ouai foil packets, a shampoo and conditioner. They were fine. And the last thing rolling out is for Terminator, something that won't quit, and that's this Milk Makeup face mask. My goal was to use it 5 times. I used it 5 times. It honestly doesn't even look like I used it. It hasn't really gone down much at all. This thing is gonna last forever. Okay, now let me show you the rest of the items that I made progress on. So for Where's the Beef, a neutral or brown product, I chose this Laura Geller eyeliner in this champagne color. It is so close to being done. I only have the littlest bit left. I really like this eyeliner. I love putting this in the waterline. So I'm thinking maybe next update that could be done. Next for Princess Bride, a product you love, I have this First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothing Primer. It's one of my favorite primers. And I was hoping to have this done, but it's not done. It's so close though. A few days ago I went to use it and it had like that air bubble and like spurted everywhere. But I think the stuff that was stuck to the sides has kind of settled now because it hasn't done that since. Actually, when I hold it up to the light, I can actually start to see through it now. When I put it in the project, it was all the way up here, but I could not see through it for each update, but now I can actually see there's definitely product here, but I think it's mostly just stuck to the side and it's probably more like down to here because this is extremely light. So maybe that could be done for next update. Next for Push It, I have this Revlon eyeliner in a black shade. I have used it a few times. I don't really like this eyeliner and I've been kind of debating decluttering it because it smudges so bad and I have to set it with eyeshadow that has been sprayed with setting spray and it's just like an extra step that I don't really care to do. If I'm gonna wear eyeliner or if I'm gonna wear eyeshadow as eyeliner, then I'll just do that. There's no point in putting this on. I don't know. And I've been using a Wet n Wild one that I like so much better. It doesn't smudge as much, so I've been reaching for that one over that one. But I'll leave it in for now. We'll see, I guess. And the last thing, continuing on, is for Betamax Small But Mighty, and that is this NARS blush. My goal is to use it 10 times, and I've only used it 5 times. I know like this is a product that a lot of people like, but I honestly don't like it that much. Maybe because it's just a sample, but it's already starting to get hard pan. And I don't know. Whatever. Anyway, I still have 5 more uses to go on that. Okay, so that means I can choose 4 new prompts. Okay, let's see what I get. Blockbuster. Yes! Okay, so I definitely have been to Blockbusters, but where I live, I'm not sure if it was a different chain or if it was a mom and pop shop, but we had something called Video Thunder that was a video rental store, and we would always go to that one because that was in our town. I'm not sure if there was a Blockbuster in our town. There might have been, but we would always just go to that one. Oh, and fun fact, in Japan, the video rental stores still exist and they're open 24 hours. Okay, so next is Indiana Jones. Neon. And last one is Weird Science. Okay, so for Neon, that's something neon. For Indiana Jones, that's a product from an indie brand. Blockbuster is a product that used to be hyper. I think that's supposed to say hyped. Product that used to be hyped, or a product that is discontinued. And then Weird Science is an unusual product or an interesting formula. Okay, let me go choose those items. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So for Weird Science, something unusual, I picked this Dove dry conditioner. I had originally thought this was a dry shampoo, but then I actually read the label and it says dry conditioner. I don't get it. I guess it's supposed to be like a detangler, makes it soft. I don't know. It seems weird and unnecessary to me, so I'm just gonna put that in for that. And then Blockbuster, something discontinued. I'm gonna put this Victoria's Secret body spray in the scent Blush. They used to have this scent when I used to work at Victoria's Secret like a million years ago, and this was one of the gratis items, so I got this for free. And to be honest, I'm really not crazy about the scent. I mean, it's just okay, but it's not something I would have bought. And I'm not currently working on a fragrance except for a little sample, so I think I'm gonna make my goal to finish this. For Indiana Jones, an indie product, I don't really have indie products, so I don't even know if this counts, but I'm just gonna have to make it stretch a little. I'm putting in this lip liner from Ofra. Again, I don't really know if Ofra is technically indie or not, but I really don't have much indie products, which I would love to try some indie products, so if I ever get my numbers down, I'll definitely be open to trying indie stuff. And for Neon, I'm putting in this nail polish from Essie. This is in the shade Bottle Service, and I'm pretty sure this was from their Neon collection. Like, this is like a neon pink, and it's completely dried up, so I'm gonna have to put some restoring drops in it. And my goal will be to use this 3 times. Okay, so for next time, I definitely think I could have these 2 items done. Could probably have my 3 uses on the nail polish. And hopefully I'll have the rest of the 5 uses on the blush, so I suspect there'll be a few rollouts for next update. Okay, that's everything. I'll see you next time.